and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to be utilizing the ORB trading strategy within the first 30 minutes of the trading day. And I'm going to show you all how to make $200 or more. Let's take a deep dive into this morning's lesson. Family, so before we start the trading day off, just giving everyone a quick update on the P&L. So at this current moment, I'm currently up about $2,699.28 for the past 12 trading days. So if we divide that amount by 12, that would give us an average of $224.94 on a daily basis. And let's go down here to review the stats. So for September, we had all green days. Everything was green in September. And in October, we only had one red day. So now let's take a deep dive into the overall market sentiment. And we're also going to take a quick look at the economic calendar before we get this day started. The economic calendar. So we have some more news that's being delayed because of the government shutdown. We were supposed to have an 8:30 a.m. report. However, that report is not being released today. Now, we do have some speakers at 10 a.m. that may change the overall market sentiment at 10 a.m. So keep a close eye on your position around that time frame. We're about to cover the support and resistance levels before the market open up. So for IWM, we have a key support level at $246.34. We have a key pivot point at $246.91. We have a key resistance level at $247.84. SPY is next up on our list. For SPY, we have a key support level at $670.93. And we have a key support level, a key pivot point level at $672.01. And we have a key resistance level at $673.66. For the Qs, we have a key support level at $607.10, and we have a key pivot point that's currently at $608.51, and we have a key resistance level at $610.49. Today we're going to be live day trading the Nasdaq-100. It's about to be showtime, family. Let's get busy. It's about to be showtime. Good morning, stock up. Good morning, G Nice. Let's get it. Let me see. G Nice said, yo, I'm here for it. I banked $410 on that Tesla car. Swung over the weekend. Great job, G Nice. Great job, my brother. All right, family. So I think the market may take a quick, pullback on the open since we pumped so massively in pre-market. So we may have a slight pullback on the open. So keep a close eye on your chart. Keep a close eye on your chart. Let me update this information. There we go. All right, so we're currently trading below our pivot point, and we're also trading below close near support level number 1. Keep a close eye on the chart. And today, we're going to be utilizing the 5-minute and the 15-minute ORB strategy live in real time. At this current moment, we have a key support candle at $25,217. That's going to be a key support for us. If we break below that level, you may see me take a quick trade, and I may do a 1-minute ORB for us. Currently showing some bearish sentiment on the open. We're currently trading below 20 EMA and the 9 EMA.
Order filled.
All right, so it's 9:31. Let's see what's about to transpire. All right, so we bounced in this zone right here. We bounced in this zone. If we drop back below this zone, we may start trending towards the downside. And everybody do me a favor. Please click that like button. Please click that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the Money Spence YouTube channel. And we also have a poll that's currently going on in the chat right now as well. So keep a close eye on that poll and make sure you respond to it. All right, so at this current moment, we're currently trading above the pivot point. We have a key resistance level at, let me update our resistance level on our chart. We have our support levels in place. Let's update our resistance level number 1. And remember, we're utilizing the ORB strategy in real time today. We have a key resistance level at $25,270.59. So that's going to be our first level of resistance. So we're currently trading below that level. I'm currently short on NQ right now. I'm a little early to the party. I'm only holding about 2 contracts since we had a key rejection near the pivot point. I'm up a small amount on my position at the moment. It's not a lot. If we drop below support, this key support level at $25,217, I'll average into my position. But make sure you're patient with your trades today, family. Even though we pumped in pre-market, it's always a possibility that we might pull back and come back down. And at this current moment, we're starting to pull back just a little tad bit. We had a key pullback right here in this zone. So if we start breaking below this zone, Nasdaq, it may turn bearish. And we also have a bearish MACD at the bottom of our screen as well. So this 5-minute candle is going to close in approximately 1 minute and 5 seconds. And then we'll be able to implement the 5-minute ORB strategy in real time. And the ORB strategy, it's primarily based off of the high of that candle and the low of that candle. So if we're utilizing the 5-minute ORB, you want to keep a close eye on the high of that candle and the low of that candle. If we break above the high of the candle, that's a bullish trend towards the upside. If we break below the low of the candle, that's a quick, bearish trend towards the downside. So make sure you all answer that poll. How do you feel about the ORB day trading strategy? Let a brother know. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. All right, so we have about 10 more seconds before the 5-minute ORB strategy develop in real time. Let's go, family. We're about to get busy. And you'll hear ding go off when that 5-minute ORB candle closes. And I'll set up an alert for the high and the low of that candle. All right, family. So the 5-minute ORB strategy, it's currently in effect right now. All right, so I'm going to set up an alert right here, and I'll set up an alert at the low of the candle. And we're going to see if we're going to break out of that zone or start breaking back below that zone. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame really quick so we can get a quick read on the market. I'm only holding 2 contracts at this current moment. I'm not holding too heavy. I'm only holding 2 contracts. And SPY just reached a new 52-week high. SPY just reached a new 52-week high. Let's go, family. It's showtime. All right, so the bulls, they're stepping in on the 1-minute time frame. Keep a close eye on the chart. Keep a close eye on the chart. Let me go here. And we're still trading above the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. I'm currently down on my current position. Currently down. But I'm glad I didn't go too heavy. Got faked out in this area right here, thinking we were about to, pull back. All right, so we're currently bullish at this current moment, family. We are currently bullish. The bulls are stepping in pretty heavy right now. Keep a close eye on the chart and keep a close eye on this resistance level right here. The bulls are currently in charge. Let's go, family. It's showtime. We have a key resistance level up here at $25,270.59. Keep a close eye on that level. The Qs just reached a new 52-week high. And let me set up an alert below 609.10 for the Qs. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. We had some sellers right here in this zone at 9:36 a.m. The bulls, they are still in charge though, family. So please use caution. I wouldn't recommend going short right now, even though I am currently short at the moment. But I wouldn't recommend going short right now because we're still trading above VWAP and we still are trading above our pivot point. I'll set up an alert right below this level. And the 15-minute ORB strategy, that will form in approximately 7 minutes. And we're going to use the high and the low of the first 15-minute candle of the day. At this current moment, we broke out of the 5-minute ORB strategy once we broke resistance, once we broke above $25,247.75. So at this current moment, we're still bullish, but we're not breaking above this resistance level, which is good. So that can be a good stop loss if you went short. That can be a good stop loss price point. I want some more sellers to step up on the chart, and if the sellers step in, I may go short. I honestly love going short. I love going short. So that's the primary reason why you always see me go short and make those quick gains at a fast rate. But I'm only holding 2 contracts right now, thank God. So I'm not down a massive amount on my current short position. I'm only down about $100 at the moment. All right, so we had some sellers right here, and we had some sellers right here and right here. So the 5-minute ORB strategy, it's currently intact right now, and we're currently bullish at this current moment. We're currently bullish. We have a bullish MACD at the bottom of our screen. Keep a close eye on the chart. If we break below $25,233.75, I'll add 1 contract to my position, but I'm just waiting patiently. I'm not, rushing into, buying more contracts because I'm already down on my position. So my first entry, I was green on it at one point, but now I'm currently, red on it, a small amount. I just need us to break below this key zone. If we break below $25,233.75, all right, family. So let me take a quick look at the poll. All right, so we have 44% of the members. They said they love the ORB strategy set up for day trading, and we have 44% of the members, the other members, they said they're learning it and still, testing it out, which is good. And 11% of the members said they never tried it before. So don't worry, family. I'm going to teach it to you in real time. So the 5-minute ORB strategy, that's based on the first 5 minutes of the day primarily, the high and the low of that candle. Once we break above that, high, people usually enter towards upside because they're looking for a bullish move towards resistance levels. If we drop below the first 5-minute low, people are looking for a break towards the downside towards support levels. So at this current moment, we're still bullish, family. We're waiting for that 15-minute ORB strategy to develop. We have about 3 more minutes and 45 seconds. So let me see. Minding my own business said, me too. She said she loves shorting as well. That's what I'm talking about, fam. I love short in this crazy market because it honestly doesn't. I honestly don't know why this market keeps trending up. But the big players, they're pushing this thing up in pre-market. And next thing you know, when the market opens up for the first 30 minutes of the day, in some cases, we start pulling back. But we're not pulling back right now. So I would not recommend, going short just yet. Just wait patiently, family. Did anybody make any money on that, long towards the upside so far? Because the longs, they are currently in charge at the moment. We have a bullish, MACD. We're trading above our EMAs. And I'm going to wait patiently to add to my short position somewhere up here in this area, unless we start breaking below this 9:37 a.m. candle. All right. So it looked like the shorts, they're starting to sell off right now. They're starting to sell this thing off. Let's see how this 1 minute bearish candle is going to form, family. And we might have an opportunity back towards support level number 1. So get ready just in case this 1 minute candle close with some strong bearish sentiment. Get ready, family. All right, so we have 27% of the members said they never tried the ORB strategy. All right, family, so the Qs are starting to pull back a little tad bit. And I'm thinking about adding to my current position. We broke out of the first 5 minute ORB high, but now we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. Just a little tad bit. But I want to see us get below this 1 minute low right here. And then we can try the 1 minute ORB strategy. And that's using the low of the 1 minute candle and the high of the 1 minute candle. If we break below this low, you'll see your boy Money Spence added to his current position for a quick scalp back down here towards support level number 1. And I'm just, waiting patiently, in my position right now. I'm not, panicking, even though I'm already down about $100. I'm just, chill and I'm calm. And that's how you got to do when you're in your position. Don't panic, family. When you see your position not working out, just wait patiently for it to start working out. And if you see that thing really working out, average into it. Patience, family. Average into it if you see that baby working out. But at this current moment, it's not working out. So I'm not going to rush into averaging in my trade. No, we're professionals over here. We're not going to rush into averaging into it. I'm going to wait for that confirmation because I'm already holding 2 contracts, so it's no need for me to rush into it. All right, family. So we're starting to trade back below the pivot point. All right. We have the pivot point at $25,240.42. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame really quick. Matter of fact, let's go to the 15-minute time frame since the 15-minute ORB strategy is about to come into effect. So we're going to use this high of the candle, and we're going to use the low of this 15-minute candle. So it's about to close in approximately 5 seconds, family. So this is the 15-minute ORB strategy that really has a strong impact on the first 15 minutes of the day. So the 15-minute ORB strategy, it's currently intact, family. Let's go. It's about to be showtime. Let's go. Let's see how this baby is going to perform now. All right, so we have our alerts in place. Let's see if we're going to start dropping back down towards the downside.
Order filled.
All right, let's go. I'll average in once we break below. Well, I just purchased 1 more contract, but I'll buy 2 more if we drop below $25,231.50. I'll buy a little bit more, but I feel like we're going to get that pullback. We just got to wait patiently.
Order filled.
Buy a little bit more right here. All right, let's go. I'm currently holding 5 contracts. Let's see if this baby is going to work out for us now. We're currently trading below the pivot point. Let's see if this baby is going to work out. Come on. Come on. And I'm going to sell somewhere down here. I'm going to sell somewhere down here. We have that 1 minute bearish candle developing. Let's see if we're going to get what we've been waiting patiently for. We're currently trading below the pivot point as well. So let's wait patiently, family. Let's, see if this thing's going to work out. All right, so we have about 14 more minutes before those Fed speakers start speaking at 10 a.m. Let's see if we can get that pullback now that we've been waiting for. Beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Keep pulling back. We have support level number 1 at $25,223.84. If we drop below that level, that will confirm our bearish move towards the downside. Just wait patiently for it, family. Wait patiently for it because it seems like it's starting to develop. And we're also trading near VWAP and the 20 EMA on the 5 minute time frame for the Qs. So we drop back below VWAP. Get ready, family. Get ready. All right, so it looked like the buyers, they're trying to step in. So that move towards the downside, we didn't get that follow through. We did not get that follow through. Stop loss is in place. I'm currently down on my current position at the moment. So we had some selling pressure right here in this area. We had a little bit of selling pressure. We need to get back below this price zone right here. That price zone is currently at $25,230. If we can get back below that price zone, that's beautiful for our current, short position. That's beautiful. All right, family. So this 1 minute candle, it started to turn bearish. Let's see what we're about to get. Come on, keep coming on down. Keep coming on down. Come on. And we have a key volume zone for the Qs for our options traders at $608.90. We're currently trading the Qs futures. Just waiting patiently for this thing to pull back. And we've been in this trade for a little minute now. It usually don't take us that long to make these gains, but today it's taking a little minute. Come on, pull back. And we want to get out of this trade by 10 a.m. because that's when the speakers are going to start, speaking. And it may have an impact on our positions. And remember, we only trade over here for 30 minutes per day. And then around 10 a.m., I'll do a quick recap on the ORB 5-minute strategy and 15-minute strategy for our beginner traders. All right. Still waiting patiently. So we do have a bearish MACD developing on the 1 minute time frame. We just need this thing to start pulling back, family. We're already, holding. I'm already holding about 5 contracts at the moment. We had a key rejection right here at 9:36 a.m. I wish my short entry was right here. We had a key rejection right there. All right, come on. Let me check out the chat really quick. So, did anybody make any money so far today? Let a brother know in the chat if you made some money. All right, so our poll results still in play. Still waiting for this thing to pull back though, family. Just waiting patiently. We have a 1 minute bearish candle developing on our chart. Come on. There we go. All right, so we're starting to get that selling pressure, family. Let's see if we can start trending towards support level number 1. And I may try to sell near $25,217. Let me see. Minding my own business says she made $273 with some quick scalps. Great job. Great job. I love it. I love it, family. Great job. That's what we do over here, family. We do quick scalps in real time. My scalps, they usually last for about 2 through 3 minutes. G Nice said they be playing games with the market today. Yeah, they definitely playing games. They definitely playing games today, family. I'm just waiting for that pullback to go in, to effect. I'm just waiting patiently right here, sitting on my toes. Just waiting patiently. And stock upset, and NVIDIA is trying to, hold us up today. So AMD, Netflix, and NVIDIA, they are currently, holding us up at the moment. That's the only reason why this thing is, holding up. Because if you look on the left-hand side of our screen, AMD, that's the leader of the day. Netflix, that's the second leader, and NVIDIA, that's the third leader. We need those things to start pulling back. But based on what I'm seeing right now, we're possibly about to get that pullback. Let me check my P&L to see if I'm, green on my current trade. So I'm only down about, actually, let me take that back. My trade is starting to turn green. So let's see if this baby want to work out for us now, family. Let's see if it want to work out for us. And I want to try to make about maybe 200 through 400 bucks on this play. We've been holding it, long enough. We've been holding it long enough. So I'm currently down about 70 bucks at the moment. Still holding my position, waiting patiently. Come on, honey. I know you want to pull back. Come on, give us some lunch money, baby. Give us some lunch money. There we go. Come on, pull back. Man, the market is playing games today, family. Come on, honey, pull back and give us this lunch money. When this thing drop, I'm gonna say lunch money, baby. Lunch money. All right. And when we do get the drop, you may hear a ding go off. That's my alert, telling us that, hey, this thing is pulling back. Come on. And the good thing, my stop loss didn't hit yet. So that's a good thing. And we have a 5-minute bearish candle developing on our chart right now. We have about 7 more minutes before the Fed speakers start speaking. Let's see if we can start getting that pullback now. Let's see if we can start getting that pullback. Come on. Let me go to the level 2. Let me see what's going on with level 2. Buyers are currently stepping in on the chart. All right, I'm going to adjust our levels. I have some updated levels from our support and resistance software. So let me update these levels really quick. So we have a new support level at 25,000, 25,221.75. That's support level number 1. Possible good selling point for us. And we have resistance up here. Let's do resistance level number 1. That's currently at 25,263 bucks. Uh-oh, the buyers, they're stepping in, family. Use caution. We have our pivot point right here at 25,248. Pivot point. All right, so we have our pivot point. We're still trading below our pivot point at the moment as well. I'll turn our pivot point to blue. Let's change that color. All right, so I'm currently down on this current position at the moment, family. Still down on it. Buyers stepping in real heavy right now. Use caution. Use caution, family. Key resistance zone up here at $25,263.50. Still down on my current position. And the Feds, they're about to start speaking at in 5 minutes. All right, so we just broke out of that. Well, we're trading near the 15-minute ORB for the first 15 minutes of the trading day. We're trading near it at this current moment. We have a key resistance level at $25,274.75. Keep a close eye on that level. All right, so we just broke a key level on the 15-minute time frame, family. Let's see if we're going to hold above that level now, because that may be a key resistance level and we may start pulling back. But at this current moment, we are currently bullish. We're bullish, family. So keep a close eye on the chart. Keep a close eye on this chart. And I'm still holding my 5 contracts. I'm down about $250 at the moment. Still down $250. And I'm not going to panic. I'm just waiting patiently for my, position to work out or my stop loss, hit. Just waiting patiently. All right, so we had a key selling point at $25,265. Key selling point right there. Let me remove these drawings really quick so we can see the candlesticks in real time. And let's use this price point right here. $25,217 as support level number 1. And that's where I would like to sell my short position at, honestly. I would like to sell down there. And we still have a key resistance level up here at $25,265.50. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit, family. We're still trading above our EMAs at the moment. We're holding on to them for dear life. Let's go to a clean chart really quick. And let me highlight some key areas for us really quick. Let me highlight some key areas for us. So we had a good bullish move right here. This was a pretty good bullish move from 933 through 936. And now we're starting to, pull back just a little tad bit. We had another, bullish move right here. Right? Another bullish move right here. And now we're starting to pull back on the 1 minute time frame. So my play, now I'm only down about, $100, which is good. So now I'm just waiting for this thing to pull back a little bit more. And you see I'm not panicking because I didn't go heavy right out the gate. I went small. Family. All right, so we're starting to pull back. We have about 1 more minute before these Fed speakers start speaking. And I'm still holding my position, family. I'm still holding. Come on, let's go. Continue to pull back because we may start pulling back and dropping below some key levels. Keep a close eye on your chart. And I'll set up an alert right below this level right here. If we drop below this price point, we may possibly go lower. And this position may start working out for us. Let's go. It's about to be showtime, family. We have a key price point for the Qs at $25,229.50. Let's add VWAP to our chart. So VWAP, it's all the way down here. So VWAP is currently at $25,201.46. So the Fed speakers, they're about to start speaking in 10 seconds, family. So get ready. They're about to start speaking in 10 seconds. So we may have a slight pullback. Keep a close eye on the chart. We already had a pullback at 9:36 a.m. and we had one at 9:55 a.m. All right, family. So it's 10 a.m. Let's see if we can get that pullback now. Come on. Let's see if we can get that slight pullback. The market is playing games with us today. They are playing games. All right, so now we can implement the 30-minute ORB strategy, and that's based on the first 30 minutes of the day, high and low of the day. Keep a close eye on the candlesticks. Let me go to the 5-minute chart really quick. And we have a 5-minute bearish MACD on our chart. So we should be getting a pullback, pretty soon. We had one pullback right here on this 5-minute candle. Come on, honey. Come on. Give us that pullback. If we drop below the 20 EMA, that's currently at $25,236. That may confirm our position that we're currently holding right now. So now I'm only down about $90 at the moment. At one point, I was down about $250, but your boy Money Spence, I'm not going to panic. I'm just going to wait patiently for this play to work out. Just going to wait patiently, or I'm going to just let my stop loss hit. So one or the other is going to happen. Either we're going to make some money or our stop loss is going to hit. And we're usually done by 10 a.m. But today, the market was a little tricky on the open. It was a little tricky. A little tricky on the open. So now I'm only down about 75 bucks, family. So it seems like the short position is starting to work out a little tad bit. Starting to work out. We just need these strong 1 minute bearish candles to start developing. Come on, there we go. All right, so we're starting to get a little bit of pullback right now, family. Let's go. Now I'm only down 30 bucks. Come on, honey. Pay us. And remember, family, I want to sell near $25,217. All right, so my position is starting to turn green. Let's go. About to get some lunch money. Let's go, family. It's about to be show time. Let's get it. I want to add to my position right now, but I don't want to be greedy, because greed, that can, F your trading up. I just want to stick to my, normal daily